Hi and welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender and today I'm showing you how to make a Batida de Coco. So essentially a coconut batida. Seeing as I made the creme de coconut in yesterday's video, which I'll link to right here, I thought it was most suitable that I make this next. And I haven't made it and it's been on my list for quite some time. So the Batida is a really popular cocktail in Brazil and apparently it's almost as popular as the Caipirinha. It just hasn't really made it outside of Brazil. And if any Brazilians are watching this, please give me feedback on how I make it. I'm making it a little bit different. I know that commonly it is blended, but I'm going to be making it as a shaken drink and serving it over crushed ice. So it's a little bit different. But this drink is really great for groups, so if you can make it in a blender, blend it in bulk, and then store it inside a bottle and then keep it in the fridge. And then when you want to do a single serve, just pour it over the crushed ice and you're good to go. So Batida is essentially cachaça and fruit juice with the addition of a little bit of lime juice if required. So some fruits don't need lime juice because it's already got acidity in it. So possibly strawberries, passion fruit, pineapple, they may not need the addition of lime juice. It's completely up to you and to work out that balance. But the two most popular Batidas being the coconut and the passion fruit. So if you want to see the template, check it out in the description below. Otherwise, just pay attention and I'll make a coconut Batida. So thanks to David for using the buy the back bar feature for purchasing the cachaça. Measure out 45 ml, 1.5 ounces of cachaça. So the template I have calls for unsweetened coconut milk and sugar, which if you watch the recipe from yesterday is exactly this, the creme de coconut. So I'll utilize this and measure out 1 3/4 ounce. So 52.5 milliliters. And then 15 ml of lime juice, half an ounce. So before I add ice to my cocktail shaker, I'm going to prep some crushed ice, ready for the final drink. Now add ice to the cocktail shaker and give it a good shake. And strain over the top of the crushed ice. And you can always top it up with more if you need. And then for garnish, grated nutmeg. Preferably with a microplane. And if you like, you can garnish it with a lime wheel, a pineapple spear, what have you. There you have a Batida de Coco. Cheers. My God, that's good. That is delicious. I've actually never had a coconut Batida before. It's a 3-ingredient cocktail, or if you don't actually make your own cream of coconut, then it's a 4-ingredient cocktail. Incredibly simple. That acidity from the lime juice just really it makes the drink pop. This is, goddamn, this is good. This is really good. It's probably the best reaction I've had to a cocktail on these videos. I suggest you guys try this and stay tuned because I've got another flavored Batida coming up and I'm sure it's going to be as good as this. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers. That's delicious. It's so good. Wow. Gruesome. You gonna take a photo? How has that not come out of Brazil?
Oh, that's so good.
Like that real kind of tart, citrusy. Oh, that's so good. Photo time.